what you call the beauty of the nature.
Yes. Nature lover. My wife is a nature lover.
Yeah.
We have to blow our horn because this is a
accident-prone area.
That's what I
look at the
have
greenery.
learned from you, my dear wife. Always blew my horn.
Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Far from the city, far from the toxic places.
Yes, yes. Oh, the beautiful mountain.
Yeah.
There's a lot of light torp. That's why we always blow our horn. That's what I have learned from you.
Especially in the evening, darling. Oh my God, I miss the mountain of my lolo.
The open sea.
See, oh, look at that one.
Yes.
I mean, oh my God, that's nice. Then why did they put like that? Kasi para hindi magkaroon ng landslide.
Oo. Nilagyan nila ng para hindi magka-landslide, para tapos ang natural habitat ng mga halaman hindi masisira.
Oh, that's so.
Because some of the fisher folk and the people living here, ganyan iniinom nila.
Wow.
Natural water. Spring
But
water.
is it safe? So what comes next?
Huh?
What's next?
Next town.